So you were saying to perform a ritual, Griffin. So what do I have to do?
You just have to sit on that chair, and you have to say, I am ready to give control of my body, sword.
Only this much?
Yes, do this fast. We can't get out of this dimension without sword help.
Okay, fine. I am ready to give control of my body, sword. Nothing is happening.
It's weird.
What's wrong, Griffin? Why sword is not coming?
Say that again, King Dynasty.
I am ready to give control of my body, sword. Still nothing happening.
How can you be such an idiot, Griffin? Why is your ritual not working?
Maybe Wolf has gone to heaven. God created sword to kill Wolf. As long as Wolf is in the heaven, Wolf is protected from sword.
So, we are stuck in this dimension forever.
Maybe yes.
You both are idiots. Because of you, I'm stuck here forever too. I am leaving.
What just happened?
Sword is back.
Why? You both called me here.
You heard a quote, enemy of enemy is our friend. So yes, that's why we called you Sword.
Yes, we want to kill Wolf.
I wish I could help, but as long as Wolf is in heaven, I can't do anything.
First take us out from here, then we will bring back Wolf from heaven.
Okay.
Shout out to